This is the crowd that's been lining up to go inside to hear Congressman Ryan. He's going to be broadcasting tonight on CNN. And this line, it seems to be snaking back and around to the other side of the building, so they're not snaking out towards us. I wonder why. I'm going to see if how good a zoom I can get here. And
I like the fact that our police officers are dressed like police officers to protect instead of in riot gear, expecting the worst out of the public.
That's what Joy was saying. They're here. They've been treating us very nicely, very respectfully. And I must say the protest here has been extremely well organized. I hope we gave you some insight as we interviewed people who are really activists and parts of local organizations that have put a great deal of work to make this event possible. When you show up to an event like this, I know many of my friends on Facebook will say, you know, what's going on behind the scene? It's one thing to show up and hold a sign and toot your horn. But some of our interviews this evening were people who are really involved in local grassroots organizations, and they've all been working very hard to make an event like this possible. And as you heard, they've got events planned throughout the fall and really throughout the 2018 elections. So what we're seeing here, I really believe, is part of a grassroots movement. People are saying that it started for them, for many of them, after the election in November. And so we've got a whole new group of people who are becoming engaged and energized and activated. And I see what's happening now, you know, an event like this is really building the grassroots support and building momentum for 2018, November 2018.